Cute birdhouses. Little shops you can paint. Look, it has chairs. Coffee shop. Here's an ice cream shop birdhouse. And this looks like a beach house birdhouse. They have a camper birdhouse. And down here, they have a diner birdhouse. Cute birdhouses. There's a lighthouse birdhouse. There's the birdhouse doors. Little tiny birdhouses for maybe, I don't know, hummingbirds. But look at this great big birdhouse. Two-story birdhouse. There's another one. There's a log cabin birdhouse. A ship birdhouse. And a rocket birdhouse. A castle birdhouse. A birdhouse that you paint.